Why do luxury planes cost tens of millions? Today, we'll take you on an exclusive journey inside the factory to reveal every step of
All parameters are within tolerance, head official. We are ready for certification.
Confirmed.
Very well. The aircraft is approved.
The thermal output is stable across all zones. Looks like the calibration worked.
Pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. The floor lighting will guide you to the nearest exit. To inflate the vest, pull the red toggles. Okay, the hydraulic pressure is stable, but we have some minor seepage on check valve 4.
Understood. I'll log it and schedule replacement.
All right, the flight plan is confirmed. Winds are stable at 270.
What about the engine failure procedure for runway 28?
Checklist complete. We are good to go.
Comms check, cabin channel. Do you read me clearly?
Loud and clear, Captain. Intercoms fully operational.
Diagnostics report clear. All systems are nominal.
Confirmed. The unit is fully prepared for backup.
The housing is secure.
And the diagnostic shows optimal flow. We're good to go.
the recline mechanism is fully deployed. Confirmed. The lumbar massage sequence is responding well. The heating element is also active.
Engine diagnostics are spiking.
Override sequence initiated. Check auxiliary systems.
All parameters are nominal. Simulation successful.
Make sure you get the whole tail in the frame.
Yes, sir.
We are clear for the drone shot now.
Check the pressure valve on panel 4. The data is fluctuating.
All right, applying the adjustment now. Looks good.
Congratulations on your new aircraft. We are thrilled to present you with the keys.
Thank you. We are very excited to welcome this magnificent jet to our fleet.
Fifth feet.
Retard. Retard. Thrust idle. Spoilers green.
Reverse engaged.
80 knots checked.
Thrust parameters are stable. Fuel efficiency is optimal.
Confirmed. Emissions are within tolerance.
All right, easy now. Watch the clearance on your side.
Got it. Looks aligned. Go ahead and lock it down.
The leading edge array shows a slight variance right here.
Cross-reference the baseline data. Is the thermal stabilization complete?
Readings locked in. Okay, bringing engines to 75% N1.
Copy that. Data acquisition is active. We are seeing peak decibel levels now.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down another 2 inches.
Copy that. Coming down slowly.
Torque wrench ready on my mark.
Looks good. Full coverage achieved on the far end. Acknowledged. We are powering down the system now.
Welcome aboard, Ms. Johnson. May I present your Chilean sea bass?
It looks absolutely divine, thank you.
So if we cross-reference the manual, the flap setting should be 2, not 3.
Right, you are. Good catch, Captain.
How is the thickness on that section?
We are within tolerance. Keep going.
Did you trim the excess on the left side?
Yes, it's flush with the wall panel.
There's the anomaly right there on the main harness. The reading is spiking at nearly 150 Celsius. We need to log this immediately.
This alignment here is slightly off. See the gap near the molding?
Yes, I see that. I'll make a note for the trim team.
Transfer successful. Battery banks holding steady. Validated. I'll sign off on the report now. All parameters optimized. Running final diagnostics.
Readings stable. System checks complete. Confirmed. Systems are a go.
Look at the pressure spike in hydraulic system 3.
Cross-referencing pilot input now. It seems nominal.
System reaction confirms the input sequence. We are good to proceed.
The engine parameters are optimal and the APU diagnostic is complete.
Confirmed. All systems are fully operational.
Increasing thrust, nose down, stall clear.
Positive rate, gear up, heading 250.
Maintain the flow rate, we are clear on the starboard side.
Confirmed. Flow rate is steady.
The calibration is complete. Everything is running smoothly. Looks perfect from here. Great work, gentlemen. There. The steam pressure is perfect for a microfold cappuccino.
And the soft close hinges on the oven are a nice touch.
This spike at 200 hertz is exactly what we were looking for.
Yes, if we dampen this frequency, the cabin comfort should improve significantly.
Set altitude to flight level 350.
Altitude set. Flight level 350. Confirmed.
Try adjusting the throttle response curve here.
Okay, running the simulation. The economy metrics are green across the board.
The engine failure protocol completed within tolerance.
Data confirms autopilot stabilized the ascent perfectly.
The smoke test confirms a tight seal.
And the anemometer readings are stabilizing right here. Looks like we're good to go.
And the touchless controls are fully responsive.
And the deep relaxation mode.
The violet gradient looks excellent. The passengers will appreciate this.
Telemetry shows a slight deviation on engine 3. Advise immediate power reduction.
The trajectory is holding nominal, altitude looks good. In the event of an emergency, the vest is located under your seat. To secure it, wrap the strap and click the buckle firmly into place.
Ground control, P-49 pre-flight sequence nominal. Check the hydraulics on gauge 3.
Reading steady, we are flight ready.
Ground confirm clear on engine start.
Clear, Captain. Pressurized fuel flow looks good.
Roger. Initiating taxi. Pressure's holding steady at 500 psi.
No bubbles on the flange. Looks good.
Activating sequence alpha. Lighting, hydraulics, and avionics engaged.
Engine ignition successful. Monitoring integration.
Thrust level stabilizing at 90%. Vibration check is green.
Roger that. Temperature scan confirms nominal range.
Looks stable. All parameters are within spec. Good job.
As you can see, the refrigeration units keep everything perfectly chilled.
And these lobster thermidors are ready to heat in the new convection ovens.
The pink noise sweep looks good on channel 3. Levels are consistent across the array. We are crystal clear.
Lowering sequentially, we have visual confirmation on the starboard mounts.
Clear on my side, angle is holding steady.
Confirmed. Thumbs up for final securing sequence.
The oxygen line is secured here. Pressure looks good on the suppression unit.
Avionics systems reporting green, trajectory stable.
Confirmed. Hydraulic pressure nominal. Electrical synchronization complete.
We utilized a new laser alignment process on the upholstery here.
The stitching is absolutely flawless.
It truly elevates the entire cabin experience.
So
The thermal signature looks consistent here.
My ultrasonic readings are clear on this section. Let's cross-reference the logs. The warm amber gradient seems ideal for boarding, enhancing the sense of calm.
I agree. It's significant.
The diagnostic shows a pass on all parameters.
Excellent. Let's secure the final clamps.
Torque set to 25 inch-pounds. Confirmed. The next panel goes here.
Clear on the left.
Bring it down slowly.
We are green for docking.
Running the pressure test now.
Gauge is holding steady at 5,000 psi. We have a slight deviation here on girder 7.
Noted. Making the micro adjustment now. How does that look?
Perfect alignment. Standards met.
Viscosity is holding steady at 350. Cure rate is accelerating slightly, but within tolerance.
And that's how every luxury plane is made, with precision, passion, and cutting-edge technology.